The idea that India is the world's largest democracy, it's a lie. It's a complete lie. We are unable to get slots for advertising. We are unable to put ads in newspapers. So what sort of a democracy is this? This is a criminal action on the Congress party. And it's a criminal action done by the Prime Minister and the Home Minister. It's very clear. All our bank accounts have been frozen. We can do no campaign work. We cannot support our workers. We cannot support our candidates. 20% of India votes for us, and we are not able to pay 2 rupees for anything, right? And it has been orchestrated to cripple us in the elections. The Election Commission has not even said, wait a minute, you have frozen the bank account of the largest, of one of the biggest political parties, largest opposition in the country. Already, our ability to fight the election has been damaged.
Systematic effort is underway by the Prime Minister to cripple the Indian National Congress financially. Funds collected from the public are being frozen, and money from our accounts is being taken away forcibly.